Okay, what's your name?
My name Kevin.
Okay, Kevin, how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. So how old is your mom?
She is 39.
And your dad?
He is 39.
Oh, 39 also. So when do you have English?
I
I have English.
I have English
Mhm.
on Monday.
Okay, Monday. So what's your favorite subject?
I my math. Math.
Math. Yes, okay, math. So what do you do in English?
I English on Tuesday.
Okay, so what do you do? What do you do in English?
And
Yes.
spell word
Okay, spell words. So what do you want to do for Teacher's Day?
and sing a song.
Wow, sing a song. So what are you wearing today? What are you wearing?
Wearing
I'm wearing.
and wearing and red t-shirt
Mhm.
and red socks.
Okay. Yeah, so when's your birthday?
I birthday
My birthday.
my birthday November.
Oh, November. So what time do you get up, Kevin?
I get up and sing up knock
Okay, 6 o'clock. What time do you go to school?
and 7 o'clock
What time do you go to bed?
in 9 o'clock.
Oh, 9 o'clock. Can you play football well?
Yes, I can.
Can you play piano well?
No, I can.
Okay, so which game is your favorite?
Yes.
Yes.
And
I like.
I